Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about accessing or connecting your Instagram account to your Facebook account. And this tutorial is being performed on the Facebook app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select your user icon on the top right, and then you want to scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. In the Account Center at the top, select See More in Account Center. Underneath Connected Experiences, select Sharing Across Profiles. And then at this point, select Add Accounts. And then you would sign into your Instagram account and then walk through the on-screen procedure. And then you would have your Instagram account linked to your Facebook. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.